In this video, I'll talk about how you can check when your Temu order will arrive. Now, if we head over to the delivery section and we go to tracking, you can see that you can track your shipping status if you head over to the Temu app or temu.com and click on your orders. Now that'll be under your profile, your orders. And once you've done that, you can click on the track button next to your order, and then you'll get a link to your shipping information. So your shipping information will basically be your shipping carrier, your tracking number, the delivery time, and also your latest shipping status. So that is basically how it works. If you didn't get the shipping link yet, just wait a few business days. As it says here, please allow 1 to 3 business days for the warehouse processing. Now, keep in mind, it can take up to 14 business days for this to be delivered. So it can take up to almost an entire month before you receive your item. Most of the time it's faster than that, but it can take up to a month. So if you waited a full month and you still didn't get it, you should definitely contact the support right here. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.